In this video, I explain my life-changing books. Once upon a time, I am the lawyer of the life. Lawyer of the life means I did not get hope, I did not get job. My relatives and my friends, no one not care about me, and I really very low about myself. That time, my one of the colleague brother suggestion for read books. The books are change your situation. So I respect him words and I want to learn read books. Once I read books, my life is completely changed. I get the job and my everyone for respect me. I have more money. These are my life changing moment of this. So I want to give this you for your life changing moment. So I want suggestion for best life changing books. The books all change my life entirely. This is a part 1 video. Part 2 video is next there. First I read books first. Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is one of the personal finance and money related books. If you want to handle your money smartly, if you want to learn more detail about the money, please read the books. The book changed my perspective of money related relationship. What are the lessons I learned from this book? First book, don't work for money. Work for land, the money is automatically come. Now, most of the people doing for go job, work for money. Money only is the only purpose making money. So only you will not make money. The main concept is if you learn something, the money is automatically come. So don't work for money. Work for learning purpose, the money is automatically come. This is the first point of this book. Second point of the book. Don't work for hard in money, make money and earn money using the money. So you learn from you learn make money using the money. This is the best takeaway from the book. Our we think about the go job and make money monthly 1 lakh or 2 lakh 50,000 10,000. For example, sometimes we did not go to job, we have a medical expense or anything, you could not go to so could not make money. So the book author told make money, it is not a problem. Once you make money, use money, how to make money, this is you learn. Most of the people did not learn about this. So if you first you get the make money and invest money and make more money, invest money. This is the best concept. Yeah, to take away from that point. And the third point of is don't go for in straight line. Go job, make money, go job, make money. Think different things. What are the investment options here? What are the extra? What are the possibilities of extra make money? Most of the people living for in our entire life we go for a job and get money and live that. Go for a job and make money, live that. But when you get more money, if you get only get financial freedom. So try what are the possibilities of make otherwise money. This is one of the best things. Many people that do this, but many people that do that get up morning and go job, after come using mobile phone and watching TV, and tomorrow is same routine, so it not make me. But smart people go job and learn new things more, and also he try to what are the things that he learn and make money using the skills for extra income. For example, if you come for home, they want to learn new things and he learn new skills and he try for make money using that skill. This habit see the three way you get financial freedom. First, you make more money. Second, invest more money, then get for money from that. And the third option, improve your skills. You continue for 3 process in you 10 years. After 10 years, you get financial freedom goal. This is no formula. This is the 3 formula. First, make money. Second, if you invest that money. Third, improve your skills. And you also make more money. This is the 3 basic rules for get financial freedom. Once you follow the 3 rules in 10 years, you are in 20, 30, 40, 50, what age you get. If you follow the 3 rules in 10 years, you get financial freedom. This is my point of view. You don't go for any financial institute, you go for any financial. Follow the 3 rules, you get financial freedom after 10 years. If you want to read that book, please go for an Amazon, Flipkart, Rich Dad Poor Dad in book. If you want to make money or if you want to know about more detail about money, please read that book. After videos, I suggested many more books. What are the books that might change my life. So thanks for watching.